forgot what they're called. Old-fashioned soft pumpkin cookies.
We should have preheated them later because it's gonna get way too hot.
No, the prep time is 10 minutes, okay? Okay, first step, combine flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and
All the
salt
dry ingredients.
in a medium bowl. Okay. The oven's ready! First things first. Flour. 2.5 cups.
I like to watch a lot of food channels.
Here.
Yeah, and you just do this little. Oh,
3.
this is 3.
I know. And 4. We'll let that little extra fall. Next up, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. So we need 1 teaspoon. So 2 of these.
So, fun fact: if you watch the Try Guys, they said if you eat too much nutmeg, you'll start hallucinating.
Oh yeah!
Shout out to you.
Should we try it?
Heck no.
Okay. That's perfect.
So it's like spring and we're making pumpkin cookies.
It's fine, it's fine. Okay.
So what I've seen people do that do baking with this, they put it in like another container so it doesn't spill everywhere, but we're not experienced yet, so.
We're not experienced at all. 1.5. That looks level.
That's fine.
1.5 cups of sugar. Honestly, I'm a little confused because I'm assuming we mix this, but it just doesn't say.
Wait, they didn't see me put it in here.
No! Oh my god!
Oops. It's okay. Let's put it in here.
Yeah. We don't have a KitchenAid, but we have this really old, whatever this is.
90s mix up.
Our
My mom
parents-
doesn't like to cook or
Or
bake or do anything like that. She likes to clean. That's good.
She likes to clean, but she hates when we make a mess, so that's interesting, isn't it? Okay, wait, I actually feel like I'm drilling into a wall. I definitely think we should have took the butter out of the fridge before we went to the store.
Well, we bought the butter at the store.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, we don't have butter here.
Oh.
It's still cool.
It kind of looks like cottage cheese.
Well, if it was at room temperature like it was supposed to, it wouldn't look like this.
So are we making mistakes already?
Yeah, it's fine. Just keep going.
Just to let you know what we got.
It's wrong. I'll tell you that much.
This is what our mixture looks like, and I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to look like that. So, I mean, it's getting better, I think. I love how this recipe's prep time was 10 minutes.
I told you that news wasn't gonna
This
take
is gonna take
I told you.
an hour. This is what it's looking like. I hope it's supposed to look like that.
Still looks wrong.
Now we're gonna beat in the pumpkin, the egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth.
I'm gonna need like a spoon for this.
We got it.
We're gonna have to put this pumpkin in like container or something.
That's 1 cup of.
You said only 1, right?
Yes. Wow! It looks like we made peanut butter.
That looks fine.
Yeah, it does look good. Okay,
Okay.
we did it. Do you think we should try the dough?
Oh, it has raw egg in it.
People eat cookie dough all the time.
Yeah, and then they have diarrhea.
Okay, so we have nicely placed our cookies on the tray. I'm kind of
And I'm working on the
nervous, kind of excited.
icing part.
Okay, bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until edges are firm.
Oh, I put clear off on the timer.
Why? Why do you do these things? Are they finished?
don't know.
Um,
Yeah, they're brown at the bottom.
should I touch one of them?
No, because they need to cool. We need to put it. We need
A cooling rack?
Yeah, but we don't have that, so.
I mean, like, they kind of look very
I think
interesting.
the next batch we need to spread them out.
So we made, well, I made chocolate covered strawberries for mom when she comes home. And then we also decided to dip half the chocolate onto the cookies. Our second batch came out, they're ginormous, and I don't know why this is the second batch compared to our first batch. And we're just waiting for it to cool so that we can put the icing. I'm excited. Ooh, I just thought of something. Here's our final product. Cookies came out delicious! And I'm excited to have strawberries later, but I'm also excited to take it to the kids and I hope they like it. Favorite aunties over here up in the house.